Hey everybody, Alec here, and today in this quick video we're going to be briefly going over this website called Freecash.com. Now that's a pretty exciting name, Freecash.com. It's a pretty awesome website. I just actually signed up. Well, I actually signed up months ago, but it was called a website called Freeskins.com, and they have since changed it. But to be honest with you, when it was Freeskins.com, I didn't know there were other cash out methods aside from getting skins on video games like, Fortnite and whatnot. But no, you can actually do other things on this website like cash out in PayPal, cash out in Amazon gift cards. And guys, there's over 1,345,619 and 27 cents. That's crazy because they actually just got created in 2020. I believe Freeskins.com was created in 2020. So that is a enormous growth. I've actually never seen pay-to-click websites grow that fast. Like Coin Supply didn't even grow that fast. So that's pretty crazy right there. The average money earned by users yesterday was almost $20. $15, guys. That's crazy. And the average time spent was only 42 minutes to make their first cash out. Actually, my mistake. It says average time until user makes their first cash out is literally 42 minutes. So guys, that is actually extremely significant. It means a lot of people are earning money on this website, and it's extremely trustworthy. There's lots of people that are earning money, as you can see over here on the chat. Lots of people masterminding with each other about, cash outs and ways to grow your money. There's definitely a lot to go through here on this channel, so stick around until the end of this video. I'm sure you're going to get a little bit of value. It says right here, the fastest growing website to make money online from anywhere with PayPal Cash, gift cards, Bitcoin, and skins instantly and for free since 2020. So literally during the pandemic, this website exploded, and it's for good reason. It's because a lot of people were home and they were looking for ways to make money, and lots of people came across this website, Freecash.com. All right, so let's get into it a little bit. All right, guys, so at this point, let's just head on over to the earn section so I can show you just some of the things that you can do. Now, I want to show you something pretty cool because this is something different than other make money online, get paid to click websites. This is actually something really cool. It's specific tasks for your country that have been completed recently from people in your country. So you have a better opportunity to actually qualify for most of these surveys right here. You know how you spend a lot of time on these get paid to websites just trying to qualify for a survey? Well, this is going to make it a lot easier because it's country specific. This is what people are doing frequently in my country right here. These are the featured offers. So if you get signed up, it's going to look different for you. Just saying right now, the featured offers is going to look different on your screen. Okay, next part of the website is offer walls. Now, offer walls, it's very similar to any other get paid to website you've ever experienced. It's the exact same type of vibe. So if you're used to the offer walls, it's going to be the same. If you're used to get paid to websites, it's going to be the same experience. You're just going to be able to see which offers are on the desktop, which offers are going to be on the Android, which offers are going to be on the iOS, which is the Apple product phone. And you'll be able to see which offers and how much you're going to get paid per offer. So as you can see right here, you can download Shadow Legends, which is a game, and you can get through a certain period of it. It looks like I've already actually tried. You can see how much points that is. 50,000 points. What's 50,000 points equate to? $50. $50. So 13 points, $13. So these are, going to be offers. But when you're doing offer walls, just pay attention to what you actually need to do. Like, they're going to have specific things that you're going to need to do per offer. Like, maybe get to a certain level. You're going to have to achieve that level to be able to get those points. Next section is going to be surveys, and even just more options for you in terms of surveys. That is what this section is going to be for you, okay? That's what this section is for. But if you haven't used any of these, survey sites before, like YouSurvey, Your Surveys, CPX Research, if you haven't signed up for either of these before, you're going to need to create yourself a profile and get all of that set up for each of these websites. But like most websites, guys, you're only going to be able to do so many surveys. You're only going to get access to so many, and it's going to be dependent country. It's going to be depending on which country you're in. So all of that you're going to have to keep in mind when trying out surveys. But these surveys are actually going to pay you a lot better than most survey websites. I mean, I'm looking at what people are getting paid. It's actually it's pretty crazy. They're definitely getting paid good money on this website. All right, guys, so now that we've gone through that part of the website, last but not least is going to be the leaderboard. This is another section where you can actually earn money if you can reach a certain amount of points and a certain amount of coins. You can get free points and free coins for getting on the leaderboard. So as you can see, there's lots of people on this leaderboard, and this leaderboard goes all the way down to 147. So you can see there's a certain amount of people. There's 2 people that got 425, and then there's a certain amount of people that got 450, and then it just goes up from there. The highest prize, so first place is all the way right here. This is what it looks like. That's the amount of reward that you're going to get right here for being in first place. $50 reward right there. And guys, just so you know, this is a daily leaderboard. As you can see, it ends in 24 hours. So if you can reach this leaderboard, you can get a certain amount of points every single day for free. Just by getting on that leaderboard and taking action, doing what you can in whatever country you're in. Now, if your options are limited, that's okay. There's other websites out there to earn money online. Don't get discouraged if you're in a country that doesn't offer you anything on this website. It's okay. You can find another website. There's lots out there. Okay, now that we've addressed the leaderboard, you can also, right next to the leaderboard at top here, you can see rewards. If you click on that, you can see that, there's lots of promo codes and things of that sort. You can earn 50 points for following them on Twitter. You can claim 10 coins like every single day that you do in a row, and certain things like that. They've got quests that are going to be coming out soon. So kind of like blockreward.app, they've got that quests that are going to be coming out. I don't know if you're familiar with that website, but definitely click subscribe, because there is a lot of websites out there to earn money, and this isn't the first one I've gone over. Alright guys, now before we get off here, we're already into 10 minutes, so let's go click on the shop section. This is actually where you can cash out your money. So whenever you've reached a certain amount, depending on which method you'd like to cash out in, could be PayPal. The minimum threshold for PayPal is going to be $5. So you're going to have 5,000 points. But let's say you were to click on Ethereum, you could say that the minimum for Ethereum is actually 50 cents. So you could cash out as low as 50 cents on Litecoin. Or Ethereum would be $2.50. I think I actually said Ethereum last time, but I meant Litecoin. Ethereum would be $2.50. That's what you would have to get to. So I'm almost there right there. I've got 2,000 points. I just signed up, so it's definitely something that you can start making money with right away. Like your first 40 minutes, you can already have made a cash out. That's what the average is right here on the front of the website that they say right here, 42 minutes. Okay, and as you can see, this number is always growing. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. If you did, be sure to click the subscribe button and definitely get signed up. I'll leave a link down below in the description. It's completely for free, and you're going to be able to earn some free cash, some free Bitcoin, some free Ethereum, some free Litecoin, you know, some free Amazon gift cards, Google Play cards, Netflix, you know, subscriptions, DoorDash, you know, Fortnite skins, all types of stuff, guys. So definitely check it out. It's a legit website. And there's actually crypto withdrawals. It actually says right here, crypto withdrawals start at 10 cents. So if you can get, you know, 100 points in there, you're good to go. So not hard to get to. Thanks for watching this quick video though, guys. I really appreciate it. If you want to get signed up for this, I'll leave a link down below. If you got value from this video, be sure to click subscribe. But that is it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you then. Bye for now.